What number is it, Jack? We're on camera.
58, Mom.
What is it?
58.
68? Let me see. Show us the camera. Good job. Okay, get another one. We can send this to your teachers. They'll be proud of
Fat.
you. Here's another one.
I need 2.
92?
Yeah.
Or, what number's first?
2.
Okay, so what's
89 for 92.
29?
29.
What's another one?
44.
Where? Show me. Good job. You're so good at numbers. So smart.
80. 7 and 8. Oh no, don't help me, no!
I'm not gonna help you.
48.
58? Is that what you said?
58. 58.